Happy Mother's Day, everybody. Today we're covering one of the greatest mothers within the animal kingdom. This would be the pongo or orangutans. There are 5 members of this genus, and they are the largest tree-living animal of all time. Males are known for their cheek flaps, though there are some that do not possess them. They are also the only great apes that are solitary, except for breeding and raising young, where the first 6 to 7 years are with their mother. During that time, they learn where to find food and building nests as a shelter. There are about 5 species known, 3 of them extant and 2 of them extinct. There is the most iconic, the Borneo orangutan, the Sumatran orangutan, and the Tapili orangutan. The 2 extinct ones are the Chinese orangutan and the Vietnamese orangutan. Alright, let's get into it. The Pogo pygmaeus, or the Borneo orangutan, is by far the most well-known orangutan by the general public and the most abundant. They can be differentiated by their rounded faces, dark red coat, and a broader face along with a shorter beard. They are endemic to the island of Borneo, in Indonesia and Malaysia, though throughout the island there are 4 separate subspecies. Males can grow up to 0.97 meters or 3.2 feet and can weigh up to 90 kilograms or 198 pounds, while females are 0.78 meters or 2.6 feet and can weigh up to 50 kilograms or 110 pounds, though this can vary depending on which subspecies you're dealing with. Fruit makes up 60% of their diet, along with other plants such as leaves, bark, flowers, and nuts. Also been known to occasionally eat insects and small mammals. Orangutans tend to be pregnant for 260 or 270 days and reach sexual maturity around 7 to 10 years and can live to 50 years. These apes can be found in lowland swamps and rainforests. With only about 14,000 members of this species left, Pongo abelia, or also known as the Sumatran orangutan, can be distinguished by its relatives by its narrow, long face and long ginger hair. Males can stand to be 1.4 or 1.8 meters or 4.5 to 6 feet tall. Males can weigh to 50 to 90 kilograms or 110 to 200 pounds, while females grow to be 9 to 1.3 meters or 3 to 4 feet tall and weigh about 30 kilograms or 50 kilograms or 66 to 110 pounds. This species is extremely arboreal even for orangutan standards. Females virtually never travel to the ground and adult males rarely do so. Sumatran orangutans are known for closer ties than their Borneo cousins, meaning that they often come together by a fruit-bearing tree to eat together. Historically, the Sumatran orangutan lived over the island of Sumatra and the island of Java. In modern times, they are only known in the northern parts of Sumatra. There is also only 9 existing populations, and only 7 of these are projected to last in the long term. Though there is a relatively new population of confiscated orangutans in the illegal pet trade, reintroduced to the Bingkit Tekupulen National Park. With less than 800 individuals left, Pongo tapuliensis, also known as the Tapili orangutan, is known on the island of Sumatra in a region called the Butang Toro south of Lake Toba. They can be distinguished by their cousins by having smaller heads and flattened faces compared to the 2 extant species of orangutans. Females can grow to be 1.21 meters, little under 4 feet, and can weigh 37 kilograms or 82 pounds. Males can grow significantly larger, up to 1.53 meters or under 5 feet. In late 2013, after the Sumatran Orangutan Conservation Program was contacted about an orangutan from the Butang Toro that had been severely injured by humans. Unfortunately, this individual died a few days later. By 2017, after years of detailed genetic study, the Tapili orangutan was described as its own species. And it is also believed that the Tapili orangutan is more closely related to their Borneo cousins compared to their Sumatran neighbors. And they are by far the most endangered species of great ape. The Pongo Waidenraka, or the Chinese orangutan, is an extinct member that lived in China and potentially Thailand during the early to middle Pleistocene from 2 to 1 million years ago. There are roughly 70 teeth discovered in caves throughout southern China. The species was likely very similar to its extant and other extinct relatives, and its remains are the oldest evidence of the existence of the Pongo genus that was found in Dai Tan Khan Cave. Pongo huatri, or the Vietnamese orangutan, is an extinct member of the Pongo genus. Obviously lived in Vietnam during the Pleistocene and is known from a single left tooth recovered in Tom Hai Cave and dated back 0.781 to 0.126 million years ago. This creature, like its other extant relatives, likely favored lowland rainforests and lived near bodies of fresh water. There were less rainforests compared to more recent times due to the Pleistocene being much cooler than modern times. They likely shared their ecosystem with tapirs, Javan rhinos, a type of bovid called the guar, Asian elephants, a type of deer called a curvessus, and ancestors of modern monkeys found in this region, along with their cousin genus Gigantopithecus, and were likely hunted by tigers, Siamese crocodiles, and early hunter-gatherers. 3 of the extant orangutan species are endangered or critically endangered. The major threats to their survival are deforestation and poaching. Despite this, there may still be hope, such as the Orangutan Orphanage, Nyaro Mentong, who teaches orangutans how to survive in the jungle, along with the previously mentioned Sumatran Orangutan Reintroduction Center. With these efforts, there may be many more generations of orangutans to come.